So I'm here to install the new brake shoe. As you can see it, so first of all, install this locker and lock it with the spring first before I can able to set up. This is how it is. For the handbrake adjuster to not to release, so this is the handbrake adjuster, okay, and this is the handbrake cable. This is the handbrake mechanism, and on top here is the wheel cylinder. As you can see, it is very dirty. So there we go. First of all, install the handbrake mechanism cable, which is first thing. You can use ply to install it, or hand. That's how it is. So I can able to set up, and you need to lock one side first so that it will be very easy for you. Okay, that's how it is. A little bit.